circle. Oh, goodness. It's already warm. We gotta get back to the house. He did good for his first time walking in the woods. Yeah. He did really good. He knew to take it easy. Didn't you, baby? He knew. Now, once we get out of the woods, I'll probably carry him straight back to the house because it's going to be hot and sunny once we leave the wooded area. And I don't want him to get too hot. He's always got to stop and smell that. Every time. Every time, yes. We have missed this so much. It's just part of our life to do it just about every day. And to not be able to come out here and do this, you know, the walking part, just letting him lead the way in 4 weeks, almost 4 weeks, has really been something missing from my life, and I'm sure his too. And we're not going that way. Let's stay in the woods. It's hot out there. I see how hot and sunny it is. Come on, baby. We gotta get to the house. And we're doing the flop over again. That's okay. It's good to take a break.